how to fix Cant Install CapCut on your device or phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How To Apps. This is me Vipin Bastard, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix if you aren't able, or if you get the error that says can't install CapCut currently. Now here, if the app can't be installed, what you want to do is you want to check your phone's internal storage or SD card to see if there is enough space for this particular application. Now what you can do is you can head into your device settings. You can scroll down notification bar, head into settings, and then scroll down, and you want to head into the battery and device care options if you want here, and you want to head into the storage option here. You can see storage. Now I do have enough storage, but if you don't, you want to make sure that you have enough storage. In case you don't have storage, you want to delete or remove the files that you no longer need on your device. So once you do so, if you go ahead and if you wish to install the application again, it will get installed. So it's basically the storage problem on your device. So this way you can fix Cant Install CapCut. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.